So it's Sunday, I believe it's the 14th. Feeling a lot better since my last video. I kind of wanted to just get on here and share some thoughts, hopes. Um, I believe that everything happens for a reason, good or bad. Of course, what had happened um, on September 10th with Charlie Kirk was terrible, horrible, horrendous, all the words. Um, but I have hope in humanity. Um, just seeing some reactions from people on the left when they're being spoken to about the graveness of this whole thing. And then seeing looks on their faces and not pushing back kind of gives me some hope that, that humanity's still good, largely. I like to think so. I kind of hope that this is another 9/11 moment um, where we are brought together and unified for something greater. Uh, you know, maybe just even expanding his vision of having more open debate. Um, Maybe it'll help seal a little bit of a divide that has grown over the years. Because a lot of this, obviously, this new generation, these latest generations, they don't remember what it was like in the aftermath of 9/11 and how we all felt. Um, and I guess maybe this just needed to happen, as horrible and as terrible as it is and was. Um, I hope that, like I said, I hope this is a unifying moment. I still hope that us as human beings were still capable of taking something so horrible and settling our differences and being human. That's my hope. I don't know if I'm right. I just hope that I'm right. Um, I just wanted to get on here for a minute and share that thought that I had in my mind. I'm still processing it all. I think a lot of us still are. Um, I don't think it's going to take as long to process as it did when 9/11 happened. I know with 9/11, I didn't believe it for a long time. I was like, this can't be real. And that happened. That was a long time. It took me quite a few, I would say, a few months to really allow the gravity of what had happened that day sink in. Um, this is not quite the same. Uh, it's starting to sink in a little sooner. I mean, it's only been 3 days, and yeah. So that's my hope. My hope is that this tragedy, and as horrible as it was, will draw us together and allow for, you know, what I believe was his vision was to have discussions and bring us together. So that's that's all I've got. But I am staying off of social media still for a while. I'm gonna go ahead and post this up just so that it's out there. But if you ever want to talk to me or anything like that, I'm open on Messenger, and and I think a lot of you probably already, the ones that I really would want to talk to anyway. And I'm not saying that I don't want to talk to other people, but I think a lot of people have my phone number, so I'm open to discussion. It's not that I don't want to talk about it. I'm trying to turn down the volume because the volume on this is so loud, and I need a break, and I think a lot of us do. But anyway, that's my hope. I hope this is your hope too. And yeah, so that's all I've got, and I'll probably post later if I have any more to say. But anyway, I hope everybody is well, and have a good one. Bye.